Hello everyone, welcome. This is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to show you this amazing and award-winning app which is Yousician. Yes, maybe you have already heard about it, but let me tell you about it more. So you can find it in App Store, you can find it in your Google Play Store. And Yousician is the fast, fun way to learn and play and master the piano, guitar, bass, ukulele, or singing and vocals. And you can enjoy thousands of songs on your real instrument. And it supports acoustic and electric instruments, which is a good news. So Yousician is actually your personal music tutor. And the app listens to you play your instrument and gives instant feedback on your accuracy and timing. And our curriculum designed by expert music teachers will help musicians of all levels improve from complete beginners, which I'm one of them, and to professionals. So as you can see here, I already have a profile, but if you don't have one, you can create a profile from here. I'm gonna click here, continue on Facebook. What's the good news, right? Your Facebook, you can just have it. As you can see, it's not English, so you cannot understand. It's saying that I have used Facebook for Yousician before. I want to continue. Yes, continuing. It's trying to connect. Yes, so from here, as you can see, this is a good app that I will tell you, and I'm pretty sure that you guys will start using. So from here, we can have recently played that I have used. So what we're gonna do today is this. You can start your free trial, but even premium, I'm pretty sure after that trial you will go and get that premium. So we're gonna click learn today, and we will actually you will play your first songs or you will have your workouts. But of course that I have chosen ukulele, but you may think like you may want something else. So what you're going to do is you're going to click settings, and from here you're going to choose your instrument. You can choose guitar, piano, ukulele, bass, or singing. Let's go with singing for me to be showing you. Yeah, you go. So yes, and let's see what other things we can do here. You can choose your volume from here and add your sound effects from here. You see, that's what I'm talking about. And from here you can audio setup. You will do your audio setup. Let me give you one tip. When we click advanced setting, as you can see, mine is already good and also all set. You will choose your input device or latency calibration. If it's not good, you think you can calibrate it. So, but when you first put in, it might tell you to decrease your volume or increase your volume. Just put it in the middle, so everything will just be okay. And from when we come to our account, we have our profile. We can edit, we can change our profile picture, and from here, since I haven't confirmed yet, I need to confirm, and you can sign out from your account from here, and you can connect it to Facebook. Right now, as you can see, my subscription is free, and I actually can start my free trial, but I haven't yet. You can restore your subscription, which is like you will restore your previously purchased subscription or upgrade. And you can actually reset all level and mission progress for singing, or for playing ukulele, piano, anything you choose from here. Maybe the reason, and this action actually cannot be done, but the reason for you to be doing this could be this. Maybe you haven't actually used it for a long time and you think you forgot everything and you want to start fresh. That's when you can use it. From credits, you will see which people helped the Yousician team. And from here, from the under name of sport, you will have this sport, you can find a sport that if you need help, if you want a part of the Yousician community app for or the new features. And from privacy, you can download your information, the data that you have shared, or you can delete your account or make your profile private. And as you can see, you have some notifications you can turn on or off, and you will have your email notifications. But since I have signed in with Facebook, I don't have that. And so let's go to learn today. Songs you can choose from here and try to go, but I'm a beginner, so today I will go with learn and show you guys. And for example, this was, as I told you, this was singing. Let's go. This app has this like a game thing in it, which makes it way more fun. And as you can see, this is where you start. And if you can unlock level 1, first what you're gonna do, it's actually the same with most of them. Even the instruments, it just has its own information, such as it's not gonna be building a strong voice or inner hearing, such as like singing and knowledge. It's not just one thing. For example, you're using ukulele, so let me show, or let's choose, let's go with ukulele. When we go with learn, you're gonna try to play your first songs even you're a beginner. As you can see here, it's not singing and knowledge. Here is lead and rhythm. It has different levels for different instruments, because none of them are the same. So in lead, you will be learning playing melodies, or in rhythm, strumming chords. As you can go down and go down, and then when you finish, you might think you're a professional, but with the songs, you can actually get better by time. And these are actually the missions. Then they also have workouts, which you can choose from here. For ukulele, they have chords and finger picking, and you can actually practice by this collecting missing stars. And we also have challenges, such as these challenges. For example, if it's saying 1, that means level 1 is,
Yousician
now
Premium
we
helps
have
you accelerate your progress with unlimited lesson time without interruptions. But with Premium Plus, you can also play your favorite songs. So unlock Premium today and become the musician you've always wanted to be.
I'm gonna go with later for now, because all I'm trying is this. So if it's saying 1 here, that means it's for level 1 students or learners, and this is 2, 5, or 7. And from history, you can actually see which ones you did, but I haven't done any of them. This challenge is for this week, and you can see the other week's challenges as you go by. So now if I can show you this, and now let's change it to guitar. The reason why I'm doing this, so I can show you how big the range is when it comes to Yousician. Go and be Yousician. You're a musician. So we also have this chord, but yes, amazing, but do we want that? Yes, there was an introduction which I have just passed, but you guys will be able to see it when you have the app. And from here, when we click, as you can see, what we're gonna do, we can do our audio setup, we can do according, but the way it's gonna know when you're gonna be playing your instrument, it's gonna tell you that, okay, this is just the right place, or no, this is the wrong place. You're gonna choose it from here. You're gonna let it ring, and it's gonna tell you to tune down or tune up. So it will tell you everything that you need from guitar, piano, ukulele, bass, or singing. So if you guys have any questions about this app, you can ask me on the comments, and I will try to help you with more videos, or I will just be answering your questions. And you guys have any recommendations or suggestions for me and my channel, you can go comment on for that too. So when I'm down there trying to answer your questions, I will also be able to read your suggestions for me. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit that button. And if you go and download Yousician, make sure that I've helped you out with it. So if you haven't liked it, come back and like this video. But why would you do all that thing? Just like it from now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I know you did, just reminding, hit that button too. So see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching again.